Man, I don't like it here. Where the fuck I am. Take me away from this white room.
Man, this bitch ass garage sucks. I want out of this bitch. Fuck this place.
Greetings.
Hi.
I moved again. Stupid. Also, got a new turd. 2000 Chevy Silverado with the 5.3 liter four-wheel drive, 260,000 miles and counting. We're here for it. It's got a problem. It's got a straight pipe, which I did not do, but no intake. My guy, like, all right, here we go. This was the cheapest kit, as the title says. Damn, this cone means business.
God damn, that's a big ass cone. It's a truck, so it needs a lot more air.
I could be with the Crystal Skull vodka folks. Not because of my crystal skull, but because Dan Aykroyd was in Coneheads. Black pipe.
Oh my God,
And
it comes with instructions.
I am officially impressed with the Chevrolet side of eBay versus the Civic side. We paid the same for our Civic intake, and it was like, man, we don't know where to put it. Cram it between your transmission and your fucking radiator, whatever. Dead bird in its nest.
Yeah.
All right, guys, I'm gonna shart. Unplug, mass airflow. Unscrew. Man, this bitch just come out. Excuse me. Hey, man. These little guys usually have rubber on them. See in here? This box will usually have some rubber nonsense going on down there. Do yourself a favor, you just yank up on it. It'll come out. There's supposed to be a hose clamp here. I got my pick. I like my hose pick. It's good for... Oh, did they JB weld this fucker on? Damn, they did. No shot.
Wait, they did?
They used some kind of adhesive. 8mm. Look at that. This whole assembly here is your mass airflow sensor, and you gotta transfer that over. Now we need to take these rubber boots off. I don't think we need those. You'll find two of these little rubber fellas that are just really short. One's on the mass airflow sensor. I know I just told you to take this off. Don't take it off, you're gonna need it later. 21. Oh, fuck off. There's our bird friend. This would probably be the easiest time to get him out of there.
Do it. Do it, pussy.
Well, now that you said that, I have to. I don't know what that is, but it's sticky. So now we're ready for reassembly. Step 1, the shorter side of this 90 needs to come off the throttle body so it'll clear the fan. Then you want the bend of this to go into here. Put this fella in there. Now, I'm gonna leave that loose so that I have some adjustments. This bolt spot here, I believe is supposed to go to this. Since this is supposed to hook onto the old air intake, I'm not entirely sure this is meant to go here. Oh, geez. All right. Looks like that won't be happening. Now we gotta build our little box with the provided hardware. Here it is.
Got 3 screws.
3 screws with the smaller nuts and lock washers. To get the right spacing, this mounting bracket needs to be on the outside of the other one. Make sure that this and the angled down part are on the bottom. These are your 3 mounting points. Then you're gonna take this rubber fella, put a washer and a nut, leave it kind of loose because you're gonna have to move it. Save the other washer and nut for later. Then take your rubber sealing surface and run it like so. You'll notice down in this tray, you have 1, 2, 3 10mm bolts. Those just happen to line up with these. So we're going to remove them now. Okay, it actually goes under this tray, you guys. I'm gonna recommend that you don't put these in till after you get all this lined up, because these bolt holes look like they're gonna be kind of shitty to line up. Like this right here already looks like it needs to be bent a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
This is the eBay part of this, I guess. I'm gonna bend this out. Just a little. Yes, sir. Uh-oh, sounds like it's time for level 3.
Dude, you know what's crazy?
Huh?
So the OG Fortnite map came back for the newest season.
I don't know what that means. I didn't play Fortnite ever.
That's a fucking lie. We've played Fortnite together.
See, as soon as I had sex, it uninstalled.
No, see, the problem is I keep playing it so I can refresh my virginity.
Oh, is that all it takes?
Yeah, you just gotta play Fortnite.
I wonder if people like that game.
Yeah.
Put your washer.
Trying to look.
Your nut. Oh, nut. No! Alright guys, this piece takes some force, but you gotta get it over your con. That took some pushing, so I'm not gonna take it out. Kinda like my poop. take your hose clamp, and there's no real ridge, so you kind of just gotta make sure it's even all the way around. It's easy to mess up the bottom. So you'll notice that this mass airflow sensor has a bigger side and a smaller side.
It also has an arrow.
Yes, it also has an arrow saying flow. Remember that thing that I told you not to take off, that I pranked you super hard? Here it is. This feller slides into that. You're gonna need that. There you go. Now, this guy, your mass airflow sensor. I'm having some issues fitting it in here. It's kind of loose.
Well, I mean, yeah, look at all that extra room. Oh my God, I can fit my whole finger in there.
I think we just got a fucking sender, bud. It's sealed, I think. Not as good as she gets, I think, bud.
Yeah.
That's definitely the wrong size, though. And there's no other boots I could have put in there. So, be warned, folks. Mass airflow sensor. That would have been unfortunate. And then I just need to tighten my 10 mil down there.
Down where?
This support right here. Remember that I left that loose?
Oh, yeah.
Yep. Let's hear it, shall we? Sounds like shit because the AC's on and the fan's on, so you can't actually hear it.
You could hear it from out here.
Oh, okay. I couldn't. Well, let's go drive around.
All right, so as the title suggests, I'm gonna rate it on a scale of 1 to bad. It was kind of bad. The shit don't fit right. It was missing one hose clamp. The instructions were really crummy, and they honestly made it worse, I think, because I kept going to them thinking they would help, and they were just like, here's a very blurry black and white picture of like skipping 12 steps. Now it's installed, dumbass. I didn't like that very much. That kind of upset me and my tummy. Yes, I would recommend this for the money. It is a high quality kit, but I would recommend you look at our video first, which you're probably doing. But yeah, 40 bucks, what a steal. The product, pretty good. The installation, kind of crummy. The fitment, not the best. But you know what? It'll work. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Make sure to check out our other stuff. We got a podcast
Skits and vlogs,
and gaming.
and an Instagram.
Links will all be in the description.
Yeah, and don't forget to comment. We respond to all our compliments.
Bye.